my friends, my family, my patriots. It's that guy, that household name that you all know and love. Chef Boy, it's Mike Dean. Today, a little something special for you. Gonna revolutionize your mornings. We're making smoothies. Let's talk about what you need for these beautiful, life-changing smoothies, alright? Alright guys, very simple. All you're gonna need is a blender, some protein, spinach, peanut butter, and if you saw my last video about making peanut butter, like I know you did, of course you did. You know how to make some peanut butter, or you can just buy some. And most of all, berries. Very simple, very low calorie way to have a quick smoothie for breakfast. Now let's not overcomplicate this with fancy jargon. If you are counting your calories, measure everything out. If you're not, and you just want something healthy to eat in the morning, or whenever really, it doesn't really matter, then just add what you like. If you like more strawberry, you can add more strawberry. The beautiful thing about berries as opposed to things like bananas is they taste sweet, but they have a lot less sugar than you would get in a banana. Bananas are packed with sugar. Anytime you want a sweet, healthy treat, use berries, alright? So we're going to start our foundation with berries. Me, I'm a strawberry fanatic, you know what I mean? Antioxidants, all that, vitamin C, all kinds of goodness going in here. God bless. Blackberries. Now you can use any kind of berries you guys want. This isn't like, oh, you have to use a certain amount of blackberries and strawberries and blueberries. If you can get blueberries if you like them, alright? Listen, these were on sale, alright? Let me be honest with you. I'm saving money right now. And I love strawberries. Also, if you're a kind of person who buys a bunch of berries and you're like, oh, they go bad too quickly, as soon as you buy them, freeze them. Wash them, freeze them, okay? They stay good forever in the freezer. And you thaw them out. If you're gonna make a smoothie, it doesn't really matter if they're unthawed and they're a bit soggy because they're turned into liquid. Next up, spinach. Why do you want to add spinach? You need to have a good leafy green vegetable in your diet. Spinach is great. It's packed full of vitamin K. Vitamin K is good for you, obviously. That's why I said it. Throw as much in there as you like. Stuff that on in there. Wash your hands before. You're gonna need your peanut butter. But in my case, and if you saw the video, which I know you did, sunflower butter. I love sunflower butter. I made it in just like I did in the old video. And I add about 2 tablespoons in there. The reason you want to do that is because you want some healthy fats in your shake. You definitely want some healthy fats. You know, I'm going 3 today. I'm a gangster today. We're going to go 3. Up next, protein. Alright, so this protein is 15 grams of protein per scoop. I want at least 60 grams in this shake. I choose the vanilla because it's got a distinct yummy flavor to it, so add that in there. I get this at Aldi's, by the way, so I basically got all this at Aldi's. I don't really shop anywhere else. 4. Good. Shake that down in there. Ugh. And last but not least, you gotta add yourself some cinnamon. I love cinnamon, man. You gotta get your spices in there. There's a lot of health benefits to cinnamon, which I'm not gonna go over right now. This is a video about making shakes. But add yourself a bit of cinnamon. Don't overdo it, because if you overdo the cinnamon, you will taste it, alright? It'll taste like a giant cinnamon stick. So you might be thinking, what am I gonna add as liquid? I'm going to add water. I think it tastes just fine when you mix this up with water. I don't think you need to add milk. If you want to add milk, you can, but you need to take into account that you're adding calories. Water doesn't have any calories. So if you want to add milk, you can. It'll give you more of a filling flavor. Milk has a bit of fat in it, so it's gonna taste probably better. Well, I'm sure it is gonna taste better, but I think this tastes just fine with water, so I'm gonna add water. Voila, guys. Doesn't it look yummy? No, it doesn't. Not yet. Because we gotta mix it up. Fill it up a little over halfway, probably like 3/4 away because you don't want any overflow. And it's time to mix. Oh! What did I just say? Damn it. Nobody saw that. Alright.
Here we go!
Let's take a look. Oh. Oh my, oh my, oh my. My, oh my, oh my. Oh, doesn't that just look beautiful? I'm about to spill it everywhere. Ooh. And here you go. Got yourself a little strawberry smoothie. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. I was very hungry too. Oh, Chef Boyhood Dean, you do it again. It's good, guys. Just vitamins, minerals, everything you need in the morning. Get you going. Not gonna fill up your stomach. You're not gonna feel groggy. What's the word? Groggy? Put it in the comments. Groggy? Groggy. It's groggy. You're not gonna feel groggy, guys. It's light. It's good. Vitamins, minerals, protein, some healthy fats, everything you need in the morning. And there's many uses for this. You can pour it over cereal, pour it over a bowl of peanuts, you know. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. It's good. It's light, like I said. Plenty of health benefits. Hope this helped you out, guys. Very simple, very easy. Enjoy. Usually I take the rest. I store it in like 3 protein shakers and I call it good, you know. Saves room in the fridge instead of putting this clunky thing in there. And yeah, if you got any questions, I'll answer them below. If you don't, just give it a thumbs up, man. What? Is it gonna hurt just to click a button? I ain't wearing this hat for no reason. Do it. I've got plenty of weight loss tips coming up. Stay with me, guys. Subscribe. Come on, you guys know. Hit that bell, notification squad. We'll squad up. But yes, subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.